Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome to your own YouTube channel. Welcome to MyR&D. Today we'll discuss about a new question, and the question is how can we implement a singleton pattern using ES6 syntax, ES6 or the higher. Already we have seen in the previous example using ES5, the older JavaScript syntax. So in this video we'll see the latest or ES6 syntax to create or implement a singleton pattern. Let me write the question first. How can we implement singleton pattern in ES6? So in ES6, you already know that we can create a class directly using the class keyword. So let me create a class called singleton. And inside that, we can define two things. One is the static member. Let me call this as instance. By default initialize with null, and we'll create another static member called get instance, and this is a function. So what it will do, it will return if the instance is there, it will return the same address. If instance is not there, in that case it will have the reference of the instance, and then it will return the reference of that instance. So I think this is done. Yeah, let me check this. So we'll create var x is equal to, and let me put this as singleton. So you know that accessing a singleton member directly, we can use the class name and then the method or the variable name. So get instance, and we will get two instance. But since it's a singleton pattern, also all the time it should have only one instance. It means that the reference in y and reference in x both should be same. So let me check that quickly. Object dot is, then x and y. We are checking both the references. Run this. So it's throwing error. Can I find module? This. Okay. Okay, the file name thing. So the file name is Q09. Q09.js. Return instance. Instance is not defined. Okay, sorry. Since instance is a static member, in that case, we need to prefix the class name singleton.instance. Both the places, and that instance will save this and run this again. Yeah, so it's a true. So x and y both are having the same address. So this is the singleton approach. But here we have some issues. And what's that? Let me tell you. So here instance member or the variable directly can be accessed from the outside object. For example, console.log singleton and then instance. Anyone can access this anytime. Let me save this and clear a screen. We'll run this. So see, we are able to access that. So we need to restrict this instance variable to access it from or outside the class singleton. So in that case, we can do this easily. We need to prefix a hash symbol, and this is there in the latest JavaScript to define a member as a private. So now this is a private. Here also we need to specify. Here also we need to specify. Let me save this. We'll run again. So see, now this is saying it's undefined. It means this instance is undefined now outside this class. So we'll try to access this using hash symbol. Clear a screen and run this. See, it's an error. Private field hash instance must be declared in an enclosing class. So now our instance variable is secure. It's a private. Can it be accessed from this? Can it be accessed outside this singleton class? Now, so this is good now. The another loophole is user can use the new keyword to create an instance. For example, where z equals to new and then singleton. And we'll check this z console.log z, run the program and see it's showing some object of singleton. So we need to restrict this new keyword to be used, and that we can do by defining the constructor. And here we'll check, here we will check if this dot constructor equals to singleton. Singleton in that case will throw an error, throw new error, cannot create instance of singleton. Use singleton dot get instance. So now we'll try this new thing, and since that will raise an exception, we'll put these things within the try catch, and within the catch block, which will capture that exception and log the error message. Log ex dot message. Save the program, clear the screen, and run this. See, in the first case, it's x and y are same, and while trying this new thing, it's saying cannot create instance of singleton. Use singleton dot get instance.